Hello everyone. In this session, I will be explaining about what is the pattern of GATE exam. Clear. So specifically, I will be speaking about GATE 2021. And here I will be discussing generally. In my next video, I will be speaking specifically about civil engineering paper. So the first one we'll discuss about duration. As all we know, it is 3 hours. And the marks is, as all we know, 100 marks. But the thing is, I'm here to explain about number of questions and type of questions. So when you discuss about number of questions, there will be total number of 65 questions. So in this 65 questions is divided into two parts. The first part, as all we know, we have aptitude, that is general ability. Then specific paper. So when I discuss about aptitude, it is of 15 marks. Then out of this 15 marks, 5 question is of 2 marks and 5 question is of 1 mark. So 5 2, so this is 10 and this is 5, which is equal to 15 marks. Then if I discuss about specific paper, so out of 65 questions, 10 questions is of aptitude, general aptitude. The next will be specific paper. It will be of 55 questions. Out of 55 questions, 25 question is of 1 mark. And the rest 30 questions is of 2 marks. So 30 into 2 will be 60 and 25 into 1 is 25, total 85 marks. So 15 is of general aptitude and 85 marks is for specific paper. Some specific, most of the specific paper is having mathematics, where the weightage for mathematics is of, they clearly mentioned it is of 13 marks, but till previous year it was up to 15 marks. So out of 85, which includes mathematics, from 13 marks to 15 marks, the questions, number of questions will be same, like including mathematics and other specific paper, will be having 25 1 marks question and 30 questions of 2 marks questions. Next, it is come to be types of questions. In the types of question, I am going to discuss. We have 3 types of questions. The first one is multiple choice question. So in this multiple choice question, there will be 4 options. This is our advantage. What is the disadvantage? Disadvantage of this multiple choice question is, there will be negative marks. See, the meaning of negative marks is, if you won't attempt the question, there is nothing like positive or negative. If you attempt the question, then if your answer is wrong, whatever you already scored from that marks, there will be a deduction. That is the meaning of negative marks. Next, it is like fill in the blanks question, fill in the blank type. So there will be a question and we need to fill the blank wherever the left the space. But advantage is no negative marks. We don't have any options, so no negative marks. Whether your answer is right or wrong, if it is wrong, no negative. If he is right, they will give full marks. Whatever the marks allotted, they will give the marks. And the disadvantage is, see, in my MCQ we have 4 options, but in this kind of questions we don't have any kind of options. The third types of question which is newly introduced is MSQs. The meaning of MSQ is multiple selection questions. Multiple selection questions. The meaning of this is, out of 4 options, there will be 4 options. Out of 4 options, more than one will be correct. And you have to mention which are the correct answers. For example, as they mentioned in the brochure, they're given one question in the brochure, easy question in the brochure, to understand what is multiple selection question. See, in multiple choice question, out of 4 options, there will be one correct answer. If you select that one correct answer, you will be getting marks. In multiple selection question, more than one answers will be correct, and you need to select which are the correct answer, which are selections are correct. And there is one negative thing in here. If you think out of, for example, if we have 2 answers are correct here, if you mention one answer, any one, this is correct, then you won't get any kind of partial marks here. You need to select both. So these are the types of questions in GATE exam. So whether it is MCQ or fill in the blank or MSQ, the weightage varies from 1 marks to 2 marks. Some questions is of 1 mark, some questions is of 2 marks. Clear? Thank you.